already know our marketing plan, but it's still better to have a refresher about our marketing plan, especially nowadays that there are some changes with our marketing plan based on the mastership. So now we'll talk about something that can change the way you think about money, the difference between active and passive income. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to transition from working for money to creating systems that make money work for you. We will be using Atomy's business model as an example of a real system that helps build passive income. So this isn't just about money, it's about freedom, time freedom, security, and creating life you truly own. Now, how many of us here have to work every month just to make sure the bills gets paid? Of course, we do still work, right? All of us here works. Let me differentiate to you what is active income and what is passive income. Active income is what most people rely on. We trade time, we trade our effort and our skills for money. For example, salaries, hourly jobs, commissions, or freelance work. And of course, we do believe that if you stop working, you stop earning. I really believe in that. It's like a treadmill, right? The moment you step off, the motion stops. Balance it by acknowledging its advantages. It's predictable and immediate, and it's where most people start. But if we could build something that keeps working even when we're not, that's where passive income comes in. Now, passive income, this is the opposite of active income. It keeps flowing with little ongoing effort once the system is set up. For example, rental properties when mostly managed by others, dividends, royalties, or business systems where the work is automated or delegated. So, like Atomy system. What are the key benefits of passive income? First, of course, it frees your time. You're no longer limited by 24 hours in a day. It builds long term wealth, compounding over time. It gives freedom and flexibility. You can choose how to spend your time. And here is the reality passive income isn't instant or effortless, it takes setup, consistency, and patience. So, how do we go from working for money to building systems that earn for us? So, let's take a look at this next slide. So, do you know the secrets of passive income? Right? The secret to passive income, of course, isn't luck. The secret to passive income is the systems. Do you know that most people stay in the active income trap because they never build systems that can function without them? Let us first define what a system is. So, a system, this is a process or structure that continues to generate value with minimal direct effort once it is in place. For me, the first step is use your current active income to invest in or build something that can earn even when you're not working. That's how you shift from trading time to building leverage. Don't quit your active work immediately. This is very important. Build passive streams in parallel. If you can teach it, automate it, or delegate it, then of course you can scale it. We have to have the mindset shift of instead of asking, how can I earn more money per hour? Ask, how can I build something that earns even when I'm not there? So the transition is like one real world example of a system that supports this idea is, of course, Atomy's business model. Now let's explore what are the highlights of our Atomy marketing plan. So first is there is no registration fee. It emphasizes accessibility. Unlike many other business opportunities, Atomy lets you join completely free. There's no financial barrier to get started. This opens door for anyone regardless of background or income level. Number two is there is no starter package. There's no pressure to buy expensive starter kits or bulk products. You only buy what you personally use or want to share. The binary structure means each member builds two groups, a left group and a right group. That's number three. Three, the binary system. This system is designed to encourage teamwork, duplication, and balanced growth. Number three is the global marketing. It's not included there, but it's global marketing. Atomy operates in multiple countries with a single membership. That means your network can grow globally, not just locally. Also, the purchases from around the world can contribute to your group's success. And number four is the unlimited level. Atomy's compensation structure doesn't restrict how deep your team can grow. The efforts of your entire network around the world can benefit you no matter how many levels below. So, meaning to say, infinite level. I would like to emphasize the power of duplication. Teamwork and consistency can bring compounding results, of course. And number five is the ID inheritance system. Atomy offers an ID inheritance system. Your business and residual income can be passed on to your family. So this gives the opportunity to build generational wealth, not just short-term income. So therefore, my conclusion is that Atomy's marketing plan isn't about quick money. It's about building something that lasts. A simple, fair, and global system where your efforts today can pay off up to the third generation. Now, as you can see here, this is very basic. Atomy is an online shopping mall which is available globally. We have different types of product ranges such as health, beauty, personal care, home products, food products, clothes. We also have some appliances which are available in Korea, so on and so forth, right? We are accessible through an online platform that is globally accessible. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the price 18 for toothpaste. The price is 18 euros 50. And if you are a distributor, you can also benefit from the PV or the points that we can accumulate from every product, which turns into a commission. So the basis of the important parts of Atomy's compensation system is the point value or PV. So PV determines how commissions and rewards are calculated in Atomy. Every product in Atomy has a specific PV or point value assigned to it. PV stands for point value. It's a way for Atomy to measure your business activity and progress. The more PV you accumulate, the higher your potential earnings and commission level. Think of PV as credit points you earn from product purchases and team growth. There are two types of PV, which is the PPV or the personal points, so the points that you earn from your own purchases, and GPV, which is the group point value, so points accumulated from your team's purchases, both left and right. So this slide, it highlights the comprehensive 8-step process that ensures the consistency of our compensation plan. This is not an 8-step process. This is the strong points, the 4 strong points of our compensation plan. First is we have, of course, the general commission, which is calculated every day and issued every week, every Tuesday. We have the commission for mastership, which is calculated and issued every 15 days. We have the bonus for mastership issued once per promotion. So for example, if you achieve your sales master for the first time, you will be given a general commission mastership bonus and additional bonus, so one-time bonus we call that. And commission for educational center, which is calculated every day and issued every week, not every week but issued bi-monthly. And the general commission, we can accumulate it on a daily basis. So if we accumulate 300,000 on our left group, 300,000 on our right group, your personal points is 300,000, you get 15 points, and you will have 45 euros as a general commission. So if you accumulate 300,000 on the left and 300,000 on the right every day, and you have PPV of personal points of 300,000, then you get a chance to have 45 euros every day. The highest general commission that we can get from Atomy Europe is approximately 950 euros per day. And there are also some rank qualifications, of course, for the Mastership Commission. We have 7 Mastership in Atomy, from Sales Master to Imperial Master. If you wanted to be a Sales Master or a Diamond Master, as shown on the screen, during a 15-day period, you have to have 1.5 million points on your personal points, 2 Sales Master on your left, and 2 Sales Master on your right. And monthly income, for example, for a Sales Master is 1,500 approximately. Imperial Master per month approximate earning is 90,000 euros approximately. And as I've said, we have an updated mastership promotion incentive. So for sales master, they don't give product anymore like the absolute and evening care, but instead the mastership bonus is now 300 euros cash bonus, and diamond master 1050 euros cash bonus, so on and so forth, as you can see here on our screen. Now, what do you think makes Atomy such trustworthy, dependable business partner? Right? First, it generates generational stable income, which represents Atomy's goal to help us build income that doesn't just last for a few months but can be passed on to future generation. So in short, it's about creating long-term financial security, right? And of course, what are the first key element that make it possible? The systematic business. Atomy provides a proven structured system where anyone can earn a stable income by following an established process. And of course, Atomy's competitive advantage is its reliable, a very good compensation plan, and plus our products are very good. Not only that, Atomy is also providing us some learning tool, which are the Success Academy one-day seminar, center meeting as what we are doing now, global seminar, and online seminars. Okay, so that's all for our marketing plan.